and nature because of the European culture, because eating properly used to be our normal practices. Back in the days, fast food used to be jackfruit, June plum, banana, orange. When we used to hungry, we feel the banana, them in the kitchen, which one turn and can eat first. I will go at the plum tree, go look something to eat until mama finish cook. Nowadays, check what is fast food. Chicken, flips, we're frying a pea cholesterol oil. So when we wonder why we are get so fat, why we feel so lazy, why we feel so luggy, guess what? Most of the food that we eat are back up inside our body. The first sign of bad health is a fat stomach. And when you go to the bathroom, you have to spray air freshener and can't fresh your breath. If you eat your food and you go to the bathroom smelling like that, guess what? What you eat is spoiling inside of your body. Black people are not old, but I'm not being racist or anything, but black man never make you eat meat. Why? We find food from out of the garden because we are tropical people. We are herbivores. That's why back in the days, mama know ush bush good for belly, ush bush good for back. Your head at your mama know ush bush to put on it. Mama even know ush bush to about baby. Mama know ush bush to clean black tube and mama couldn't read. Because this is the we practice, but we go astray from the proper food we have in all the supplementary values, because our food used to be our medicine and our medicine used to be our food. So why nowadays you have to sick for doctor give you medicine? If you have a sick for doctor give you medicine, that means you have no medicine that, because medicine are food, are drugs that. And most of these drugs have a lot of side effects that get you more sick than before. A lot of people are experiencing the same metformin medication. You know what's the symptom from the diabetic medication? It blind you. And for the male then, it kill them nature. No doctor will tell you this. Yes man, all I man them are suffer from diabetes, just know say. Very soon, no potency naga did it. You now can't please wife anymore. So guess what? Changing your diet are the key. If I'm a herbal doctor, I always let people know, say, it's not the herb where I going to give you. I'm going to do most of the healing. No, because you take 10, 20 years before you get sick. So don't feel like no man can heal you in a 1 week or a month or a 1 year. You have to stop eating the bad things that get you sick. Even the people that with cancers, ulcer, pile, and ulcer sores and all of that. The same thing causes it, you know. Through chronic intoxication, the system results in constipation, then the inactivity of the organs of elimination. The organs that eliminate first most of the time is the lungs, liver, kidney, skin, bowels, womb in female or prostate in male. What happened? The system becomes poison, then the poison accumulates around the weakest organ or where the body has been injured by a blow, fall or bruise. Most of the cancers occur that same way. Yes, although cancer in some parts of the body is increasing at an alarming rate, in other areas such as the stomach and the uterus, the incidence of cancer can be decreased. Certain types can be prevented to a great degree, and it is estimated that 1/2 of all cancers are due to unhealthy living and unhealthy eating habits, followed by majority of Jamaicans and people all over the world. You know what that means? We feed ourselves into these sicknesses. We eat. We voluntarily spend our hard work in cash because the system fool you and tell us that the age to live is 70 and if reason by strength are 80. No man tell you that, because even aging is a disease that can be reversed through proper nutrition, rest, fasting, and exercise. Let me say that again. Aging is a disease that can be reversed through proper nutrition, rest, fasting, and proper exercise. What do you think, sir, if the vehicle park up over there, sir, and you know turn over the engine after a while, it seals and jam? Why you think that? Let me give you one secret where the whole medical society are hide. The motor vehicle created after human body. That's why the frame of the vehicle is called a body. The vehicle have a belly, which is the engine. A heart, the transmission. Your lungs is the radiator. Windpipe, breathing nose. The vehicle inhale and exhale, same like you, the human being. If the vehicle stop breathing, it can't move. The liver of the vehicle is the filter. The kidney of the human body again are the filter. Your anus is the muffler. That's how you pass your waste back through your rectum. The wheel of your foot. The light of the eyes. You can only see to a distance. Just like the vehicle light, you only show you to a distance. Yeah, guess what? But guess what now? We service the vehicle every 3 months or every 2 months. But guess what? We don't service this vehicle here. That's why we have all this constipation, this poor circulation, these arthritis, these heart problems, these migraine headaches, these pile, these sinus and all of that. Guess what? After you eat up all the rubbish, it form a thing inside of your body named feces. Then it change from feces to putrid. It change from putrid to mucus. So when it turn mucus now, the mucus go to the brain. You know, no memory years, the doctor say you have Alzheimer's because the mucus in the brain. When the mucus gone, it goes stuck up in the bronchial tubes, and you have wheeze, you go and say you have bronchitis. I see a mucus, you know, what you call cold, you know. When you go again and you have tremble, you have spit blood or whatever, you see a mucus again, him tell you say you have pneumonia. After a while again, the mucus now block up all of your nasal passage, him say you have sinus. When him find mucus in your womb, him say you have womb cancer. When him find cyst in the female again, him tell us that you have trait of cancer or ovarian portion and all of that. And the same mucus, you know, and the waste where you consume cause it, you know, just like the vehicle again. If you don't change the oil of the vehicle, what happens to it? It clog up. Right? Same thing I'm going to do it. And that happens to most people with high blood pressure. Let me share the secret with you. Paralysis strokes are the third most frequent cause of death. They are the result of a decrease of a blood supply to a portion of the brain, usually caused by plaques forming in the arteries, blocking off the normal circulation of blood to your brain, or by rupture of a blood vessel in your brain. When the blood not circulate properly, every problem caused. Why? Because the blood is too fat. We are consume all our we shouldn't be consuming. Grease, your body don't make to digest it. Sugar, your body don't make to break it down. Meat, your body don't make to break it down. Why do you think after you eat your dinner most time or lunch in the afternoon, you feel like you just want to sleep? Tell me now, people, when I experience it, yes or no? Thank you. You know what causes it? A dead food you eat. When you cook your food, meat dead already. Yeah? And you cook it again and eat it. So a dead food, and guess what? European culture is what bring we up them trick with. We black people, them carry from Africa come slave with. Give them food to eat, give them name for call, give them culture for bring forth, and also what? Them lifestyle for perpetuate. Why do you think some black men have prostate disorder this day? We oversex and we don't implement forward a zinc. Yeah, me have been straight up. We don't get back the zinc and the antioxidant, the lysine and all of that to build forward the sperm count. So guess what? After ejaculation, the body starts feed off of itself. Then look more years of stoppage of water develop. Or the male did have an infection will never pay any mind. Then prostate disorder coming out. But most of it implemented from the food that we eat, because the waste inside our body contaminate the bloodstream. Then the bloodstream feed the other organs all of the poison. Just like the ship. The ship is at more risk on the land than in the harbor. The plane is at more risk on the ground than in the air. The same way, black people are eat white people food. Him at more risk of getting a gunshot than a stroke or a heart attack. A lie me I tell. It don't good for you, my people. Nobody want to talk the truth. And when they talk the truth, most people get up and them go away because them don't like it. Let me share a secret with you again. Look into this for yourself. If enough water down the inside of the toilet bowl and you flush it, what happen? It don't flush good. If you don't drink enough water for your day and go to the bathroom tomorrow, guess what? You don't flush good. When you wake in the morning, the first thing you do, drink 2 glasses of room temperature water. For the first few days, you're going to feel really nauseous and bad. But if you continue, you're going to feel like, oh, African garden feel like, oh, I feel at peace now. Let me teach you this. When the body is low in supplementary value, doctor tell us that you have deficiency. You know, say if a female now eat good in the house, she more miserable than you as her husband or even her you them. You know, when a child not eat on time, he have the same temperaments. You know, when the child don't get the right supplementary value again, the child implement all the sickness them where old people get, just like now. The sickness them where young people have, old people used to have it. Una know it's a baby born with diabetes and a jaundice again. Let me tell you this, the 3 worst thing is salt, oil, and sugar. The 3 worst thing is salt, oil, and sugar. And guess what? The vehicle are the most important thing ever made on earth because of mobility and transportation. Right? And also I got the body is the most important thing made on earth because of mobility and transportation. And not only that, the body function chemical and mechanical, same as the vehicle. They might teach you these things. You know what make up your brain? Copper. Yes, your brain have electricity tonight. The last thing die on the human body and brain. And that's why after certain people even dead, you see them shock them and try to bring them back because they know say once the current reach the brain, signal can send and that person can breathe and come back alive. You get me? So right now my people, go back to on a diet, electric food. As we mentioned electric food, you know what just come to my mind? The pH scale. Ever hear the word pH scale? Most engineers familiar with that term there. It means power in hydrogen. Right now, black man needs to go back to the pH scale, everything he might eat, because most of what we eat as food, if you take it to a biochemist lab, it proves that it is not food. It is starch and base. So majority of we are feed off of starch, blood, acid, preservative, antibiotics. Even the chicken them are the people them I eat every day. You know, say, without them give them chicken the antibiotic, them dead from cold. Why you think when people have game fall back in the days, or you look a common fall in your yard, normally mama give them like a single Bible water, so they don't catch cold. Babylon find out that. So them change it from the farm, a aloe vera, natural thing, and put it in a pack so you can pay back feed. Most of where you go to the pharmacy for as well. Then in your kitchen or in your backyard or in your garden. But they don't teach you these things because of ethicality. But guess what? The greatest physician is the Almighty and the biggest pharmacy of the earth. Go back to the Garden of Eden. Eat off of the vegetation of the land. Greens can't too much for you and your family. Fruits will come in a season. Eat the fruits till it go out of season. Put the meat and the white rice and the white flour and all of them things there aside. And female will have a fibroids problem and the yeast and all of that. Lock my number. Because I know say what? I'm there for help you know. 1-876-357-8787. That number I give up on the radio every day. Most people at Jamaica have it. I'm going to run it again. 1-876-357-8787. Anyone who knows sore foot can get better. I have the dressing and also the medicine. And our words and work we deal with. And the product is selling. I have products selling all over Jamaica. And we're looking worldwide. Right now we're in Miami, and we